Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with another demo using Excel. So we are trying to achieve that once there is a cell where if we get the yes or no, so based on that criteria, we want to send an email using a formula. So this is the setup. And here you can see these are the serial numbers, which you can always have or delete. And there is a column with yes or no, the recipients in this column, subject of the emails, which can be different or maybe one is in this column, and different emails or same email can be in this column. So once if someone's want to send this email, he can click on the drop down and select the yes, or maybe you can manually enter yes. Once the yes is here, you will see a pop-up with a formula which will be allowing you to send the email. So there is a formula on the back end which you can always see. So if I'll click on the cell, it will give me the access directly to my linked Outlook account because we are using Excel. And you can see email has prepared accordingly with two email addresses. So this is a bonus. I don't. You just asked me to for one email address. You can add multiple email addresses as well. Uh, Let me add a semicolon at the end. Okay, so you can see the email is prepared, and you can directly use this. Let me give you another demo. So there is this was the email with two emails. Now let's try this one. If I'll click yes on this one, there will be another pop-up in this cell, which is a formula on the back end. You can see there's a formula on the back end. And once you will click on this, it will prepare the email for you. Let me change the email and show you again. So if you want to personalize the emails, dear XYZ, this is a test email. Regards. And now if I'll click on this one, you will see, dear XYZ, this is a test email, and hopefully you won't be formatting it because this is HTML and we are pulling text in. And yep, yeah, you can see the send from mail from Windows. You can always go in your settings and remove this if you want to remove it. So this is the formula. Please let me know if you need any further assistance or anything I'm missing in it. Thank you. Take care. Bye.